Black+Decker CM0755BZ 4-in-1 5-cup station coffee maker. 4 ways to brew. Brew into a full carafe or directly into your favorite mug. The adjustable stand lets you brew into a standard mug, a tall travel mug, the included 5-cup carafe, and it works for pour-overs thanks to the unique removable brew basket. Over-Compatible Brew Basket. Remove the brew basket to create a delicious pour-over that fits your tastes. This method allows you more control over the amount of coffee you use and the rate of brewing. Ergonomic 5-cup carafe. The improved carafe is engineered for comfortable handling and drip-free pouring, with a removable lid for easy cleaning. Space-saving compact design, perfect for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, and smaller coffee appetites. Double-walled Tritan Coffee Mug Included. Enjoy your favorite coffee from the clear Tritan 8-ounce mug. It's insulated to maintain the perfect drinking temperature. Note: cup equals approximately 5 ounces. Varies by brewing technique. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.